All right, so today we're going to be adding polygons together. So this is like the same exact thing as combining like terms. So a variable that has the same variable and same exponents is going to be something that we are able to add together. So on the first one, we have 4a and we have 3a. So we would combine those together to get 7a. And then -5 and 6 are constants. -5 plus 6 is 1. Moving on to the next problem, we're going to start off with like the highest x value or the most exponents of the x value. So 4x squared. Nothing combines with that. There's no other 4x squareds. There's nothing else with an x other than 6x. And then you have 9 minus 7, which is 2. We can cross them off there to make sure we got everything. That's something that I like to do while I'm doing these. On the next one, we have p squared and 3p squared, which makes 4p squared. And we have -2 plus -7p, which is -9p. And then we have 3 plus 7, which is 10. On the next one, we have a bunch of stuff. We're going to start off with the x squareds. So we have 2x squared minus 6x squared, which is -4x squared. Then we have 5xy and -xy. So 5 minus 1 is 4xy. And then we have the y squareds. So 4y squared plus 2y squared equals 6y squared. And we're just going to do that same process for all of these problems. All right, so the last one had this, and this one does too, and we have different variables. We need to be careful not to mix those. So first I'm going to start with the p's. P squared, there's only one p squared, so we have 2p squared. And then we have 5p. This is the only p with no exponents, so I'm going to say plus 5p. We have 2 minus 8q, so minus 6q plus 1. So then on the next one, we're going to do the same thing. We have a, b's, and c's. So we have 2a minus 2a, which is 0a, so I'm not going to write anything. -4b minus 1b is -5b. And -c minus 4c is minus 5c. And then the next one, I'm going to start with like the highest x. There's no x squared, so we just start here. 6xy squared, and then we have minus 10xy squared. So it's minus 4xy squared. So 6xy, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then I just have 1y squared, so I'm going to say plus y squared. Then the last one, even though I have 3, it's exactly the same. So I'm going to find all the x squareds, so 2x squared, 5x squared, minus 1x squared, so 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 1 is 6x squared. -6 plus 2 is -4, minus 11. And that is how we add polynomials.